guys, we're in North Carolina still doing our adventure. We're here at BILSTEIN Shocks Day with Aaron Morey. He's going to give us a little tour around here and tell us about a little bit about the shocks.
All right, ready?
Yeah. All right. We're in the back right now. Looks like they got a pretty good inventory.
So yeah, here in Mooresville, all we do is the motorsports side of the company. So when I say motorsports side, it's only in North America.
Yeah.
You know, Germany, we've got a location in Germany, UK, Australia, and so all we're doing is strictly dirt late model right now. You know, we do a lot of stock car, modified, very little road racing, some drag car stuff, but basically we keep our finished good inventory here in the warehouse.
So these are all finished, ready to go, bolt
Ready
right
to
on the
go.
car.
Basically, this is what your performance bodies, your motor states, this is what they use in the catalog.
Gotcha.
So on the dirt late model side, which is over here, we try to keep about 25 sets on hand.
Yeah, that's a lot.
You know, we've been gone for over a month.
Yes.
So I mean, it looks like we're down to probably averaging 5 sets right now.
Yeah, well, I'm sure it was a busy month.
Yes, but as long as we can keep about 25 sets on the shelf, we typically won't ever have to back.
Awesome. Yeah.
Over here in the parts cage.
So are most of these parts made here in the States? Are they made in Germany or a little bit of both?
It's either made here or in Germany.
Gotcha.
Yep. So over here's the parts cage. And basically anything that is not a finished shock is located in here. Now we'll have some bulk out in the warehouse, you know, where we keep you know a large volume of items, but you know typically here we can pull any of the smaller orders, you know, less than 100.
Yeah.
We can pull the components, but this wall here is all of our shims. We've got way too many shims, but with BILSTEIN being an OE and aftermarket, we have access to a lot of shims that most companies don't.
Imagine.
Go over here. How was your race party?
Good. Biggest one we've ever had, yeah.
Was it?
Almost 500 people. It was nuts. I thought it might be a little bit down, and it was like they just kept rolling. It was insane.
Everyone's gone for the day, but you know this is our check room. So we've got 6 stations set up for builders. We've got 1 station over here that we do dry kits. A lot of the low volume dry kits, you know, less than 100. We've got another dyno that is in the back. We just got building a stand for it. We'll eventually have another dyno table here and a spring smasher. So it'll give us a total of 30.
So your guys, do they do like, you got 3 guys that just do late model stuff, do 3 guys do modified stuff, or do they?
They all do it all.
Excuse me. They all do it all?
Yep.
Gotcha.
Yep. So we'll try to do runs of 10 at a minimum. It's when you build onesie, twosies, you don't make the money. So like right here is a list of Longhorns, Longhorn right rears, just got done. So it looks like right now, just looking at the table, looks like we're doing a run of Longhorn.
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically they'll get assembled here. Dyno, and on the dyno is basically our quality control check.
Yep.
It gets pushed out in the warehouse. There's another quality check with the dyno sheet. Make sure the adjustments, we have a tolerance on the adjustment on the label.
Yeah.
You know, I think it's +1, -1.
Yeah.
And then from there, that's where it gets boxed and put on a shelf.
Nice. Heck yeah. I feel like Volusia though, some of that speed can carry over because you gotta be able to drive. You gotta be able to drive in there wide open. You know, if you can drive around there wide open on the gas, like that relates over to me like to your Eldora is a little bit maybe to Charlotte because you know what I'm saying. There's not a lot of places like by us. You don't drive anywhere wide open.
So they have new
throttle, you know what logo. What's up, buddy?
They have new dirt on there too. What's going on?
Everybody, this is Adam's logo. So, what is your official title?
Outside sales.
Outside sales.
Okay.
Track support. Track
support, outside sales.
Yeah,
That
shaking
guy.
hands.
There's other.
There's other ones.
Other ones, probably not. We're not gonna put them on the channel.
No.
Gotcha.
So what are you doing this year? Same thing?
Same thing. pick and choose, hit and miss. There's just so much racing up by us. It's hard to.
Yeah, you're in a good spot.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure February's gonna be $5,000 to win at least once a month on top of all their additional specials. So like you'll be there. You'll be there 2 times a month, one for $5 and one for more than $5.
Right.
And then so it's hard to throw in the Hell Tour and all the midweek shows. It's just
You can run the full L tour.
the heck no. They're gonna have to find some serious money.
Yeah.
So they're gonna have to pump some serious money in there and the points or something.
That is on camera, so everybody sees that.
We didn't run them all last year, just so you know.
We about did.
Somebody probably
Right.
quit. Somebody probably quit if you did.
Yeah, he'd quit if we did.
What is it paying? L tour, is it just
It
5?
depends based on rain house. It's anywhere from like 25 to
35
32.
or something, or 32,000.
100? Oh, what's it pay per race?
Oh,
Most of them are
Is it
5.
five?
Oh, they're all
Five.
5s on the weekends or 10s.
Okay.
Most of the weekends. I think there's a couple
Yeah.
that aren't even 10s.
You gotta get them modified.
It's so hard now with so much money on the line. Like, you know what I mean? Because we got, it feels like as soon as that's over, we're right into PDC, Cedar Lake, North South, right to the World 100. So
top
it's like,
place, all that stuff.
there's so much money, and then you're throwing in the midweight day flow races that are 20,000. Like, it just makes no sense to beat your stuff up to death for $5,000.
No, not at all.
Like, yeah.
Not at all. It's neat to see what's happening right now. I think the biggest thing like between asphalt and dirt is the money.
Yeah.
Right. I mean, they can have the same people in the stands, but for whatever reason, the dirt you can make a living doing
Well,
it.
it's
It
like
must be the
even
streaming.
like
It's
all
gotta be
the,
it's gotta be the streaming.
I got a bunch of buddies that race off-road stuff, like up in
Crandon.
Wisconsin, Crandon.
Yeah.
That's where I'm from originally, and that's what I started with. I worked for the Flanneries years ago
Yeah.
and did all that. So up there, I tell these guys, well, I can't do this because I'm going to race for 15 or 20 grand this weekend, and then we're racing for 50 this weekend. They're like, how are you guys doing that? They race for like 2,500.
Yeah.
With a $250,000 truck.
But where they're smarter than you
sponsor
guys is they're profitable before January 1 because of sponsorship.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
they
you
got
know what I mean?
big-
You get that Ryan B. You get those guys that
Yeah.
they're doing it as an
rock stars and,
entertainment service,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
They're
Yeah.
they're a spokesman for Chevrolet.
Yeah, for sure.
So
For sure.
if their late model could ever get to that point, I think you'd see a
Yeah.
game changer.
No, I agree.
But the streaming, like what XR did was probably the best thing for dirt late model race.
Absolutely.
Because he put it all out there.
Yep, for sure.
You can make
Yeah,
how
he
much?
definitely made people step up their game.
Right.
So it's good for us.